What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Tirilo has sparked intense speculation after she was seen wearing a striking engagement ring, and it set social media abuzz with rumors, probably of an upcoming wedding with Mpumelelo Mseleko, or maybe that wedding was done secretly. Nobody really knows right now, but Tirilo has been showing off that ring, and it caught the fans with so much surprise, and people just cannot wait to hear what Tirilo and Mpumelelo are going to be saying on Izingane's temple. Maybe right now, before we even get there, Mpumelelo is finally taking that serious step of formalizing his relationship with Tirelo, especially, since he has expressed intentions of building a polygamous family like his father, Musa Mseleko. So probably he has done it, and he has married Tirelo. So this is obviously good news to Tirelo, and congratulations to her